Don't worry. I'm not like I know all these rules about Cambly, and you have to ask me about whether you want to conversation or you have to do a listen.
No, but it seems like you're the leader in your lessons, right? You lead your own learning, yeah?
Thank you so much.
Take control. It's good. It's good. Anyway, it's nice to meet you. So you're Ahmed, right?
I am Ahmed, yeah. And
Ahmed.
you?
Natalie.
Natalie. Wow.
Yeah.
It's like, Natalie. It's like the original name.
Oh, Latin, very Latin name, yeah. It's like French.
Yeah, French name, yeah.
Or Italian. It's an old, yeah, you're right, it's an old name. But yeah, I guess it's nighttime there, is it? Or more? Where are you?
Can you guess?
No, I cannot.
You're like online tutor, so you have taught many students around the world, I bet. So you have like experience with the accent,
Time zone.
yeah, with the time zone, yeah, and like the basic expression. So I'm not a Brazilian, and nor like Indian,
Yeah. So are you from the Middle East then?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
You're close. Okay, you're close.
Okay, I have to guess, right?
Yeah.
Give me a clue.
Yeah. I live in Baghdad.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean. So closer to the Europe side, right?
No, I live in the capital in Baghdad.
Yeah. Okay.
In Baghdad city.
Yeah, of course. Nice. Okay. So honestly,
what,
you might.
What is my country name?
Iraq?
Yeah, that's right.
My geography's bad. Okay, no, it's just that you doubt yourself. When I think Iraq, capital city Baghdad, but when somebody's asking you, I doubt myself. I'm like, maybe I'm wrong.
No. But we have a border with this.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I've never been there. I've never been.
Really? Wow. You missed a lot.
I would like to.
You
I
missed
know.
a lot. Yeah.
So for me, I've been living in Shanghai for the last few years. So over in Shanghai, there is like a mix. All the expats from all over the world live there, and there are a lot of Turkish people, and they run bars, restaurants, clubs, like the nightlife scene. So
I didn't catch you. You went to Shanghai?
I've been living there. I've just moved back to England, so I'm just fitting back into England. But I've been in China for over 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
So, and in Shanghai, many people from Turkey living there. I had lots of friends, and I hang out with them. I see they're so much fun. I think I need to go and visit your country one day. I didn't have time.
Yeah, you want to explore the world,
right? Who doesn't?
Yeah, actually, but yeah, we all want that, but where's the money? We need money,
right, yeah.
to explore.
Yeah, I know. I know.
So, how long have you been teaching English on Cambly?
Cambly, I'm very new. It's my second day.
Really?
But I've been teaching.
Welcome to Cambly.
Thank you. But I've been teaching for 11 years, but in more formal environments. Like I have online classes, but we use a PPT, we use a PowerPoint, and I have to teach like reading and grammar, or I will teach like, in the office where there's like 20 employees. So I'm new to this. Cambly is quite a relaxed, like friendly type of space, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just like informal chatting,
Yeah, it's cool. How long have you been with Cambly then?
I have been studying on Cambly quite like a year and a half.
Oh wow, nice. So you're a long-term student.
Yeah. I have met many tutors here on Cambly.
Cool. It's a good social network, isn't it?
Yeah, I have like many friends here from Cambly, like my tutors, and they become my friends.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So
So I
tell
look
me.
forward to it.
Sorry.
I just say I look forward to more classes then with more people because it seems fun.
Yeah, yeah. You know, I just want to ask you, like, is this your first time to experience like teaching online with this platform, or you have had this experience with
No,
another platform?
so I've had experience with other platforms, but
Mhm.
I usually, because I was working in Shanghai for so long, I built my own client base. So when I had to move back to England because of Corona,
Yeah,
I have my own private students. So I use Zoom, the platform Zoom.
yeah,
So yeah, so I usually have classes on Zoom, and I did some classes for like a kids teaching company before, but these sort of like platform systems I'm quite new to. And I'm not. I'm used to online teaching, just not in these like web browsers. So
yeah.
if I mean, I don't know how long you want to have class for, but if there's anything you want to talk about or anything I can help, I see here we can open up web pages, we can open up whiteboard, chat, anything.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. Don't worry. I love to meeting new people and chat with them like about random stuff to figure
Nice.
out, yeah, to figure out what I will like have with my tutor and to learn more about my weaknesses like
Yes.
grammars, or maybe I will
Okay.
discover new vocabulary. So usually I make questions with my tutors, and they ask me like the vice versa. So
Yeah.
don't worry.
You,
I'm not like I know all these rules about Cambly, and you have to ask me about whether you want to conversation or you have to do listen.
no, but it seems like you're the leader in your lessons, right? You lead your own learning. Yeah.
Thank
You
you so much.
take control. No, it's
Thank you.
good. It's good.
Wow, thank you so much. you
A
know,
compliment.
yeah, I'm like I applied for Cambly, an ambassador, like a partnership,
Oh,
9 months
nice.
ago. Yeah, so I am promoting Cambly. Like
Cool.
I have a YouTube channel, and I share my Cambly session on YouTube. So that's like make Cambly going viral on on YouTube, on other social media. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I've
I
never heard
cons
of it.
really.
Yeah, on a friend of a friend. So that's good that you're promoting it then on your YouTube.
Yeah, and I have a small YouTube channel, and it has like 8,000 subscribers.
Not bad. Quite a lot.
Yeah, so I love that's why I love Cambly, because Cambly gave me this opportunity to make money, and
Yeah.
on the other hand, like making friends and improving and refining my English.
Cool. I love
Yeah,
it. I think it's the best way to learn a foreign language natural way, right? Like not
yeah,
so formal. If
i-
you're
i-
happy and everything, you will progress. That's what I always think. That's what language is. It's like the most natural human thing, isn't it? And then if we make it very strict with textbooks,
yeah.
it
It will
takes
be
the
like we are like a robot,
robot. Yeah, yeah.
when we speak,
Yeah, but you'll have to forgive me. So most of my work was in China, and Chinese culture. They love education. They love to say, "Oh, I learned 500 new words," or they're very
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
different.
They keep thinking about this stuff. Like
Yes,
I have to learn like 1,000 new words per
yeah,
month.
yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
they,
And just like a robot or a computer, they need to tick it off. Not all Chinese people, but it's just the culture is different to like
yeah.
the more open-minded. So I met many Chinese students who, just like you, they say, I want to learn English the real way, the natural way, not
Y-
no,
Yeah,
not the
yeah,
classroom way. The
yeah.
same.
Sometimes when I speak with my tutors, okay, and I speak with like formal words, formal expression, they don't catch me, from the first time. Yeah. But when I speak with them, like a normal conversation with informal expression, they will understand me at the moment.
Yeah, because the thing is, with language, same in your mother tongue, right? People don't talk in such high level, advanced, big words every day, right? It's not useful. People talk in a way that other people will understand. So sometimes if you're using all this academic language, like you say, it goes over the head as well.
It's boring.
Boring, yeah. It's good to know, to understand it, but you don't always use it, I think.
Yeah, even sometimes if my tutor says something about words, so I have learned this word. So when I listen to my tutor say this word, so it's okay. I know what my tutor mean. So that's like I don't know. I am lost. Like that's the point.
The point. Yeah.
That's the point. Yeah.
I always think that same when I was learning Chinese, it didn't matter that I couldn't reply to everybody very quick, but you have to know what's going on, right? You have to be able to understand what they just said. If they just call you an idiot, you hear it. Maybe I can't go around calling people idiots back, but at least I know what's going on. I can act. You know what I mean?
You can like figure out what they say from their facial expression.
Yeah, exactly.